Yeah, I can't get it. Yeah.
Are you guys hungry? What did I even eat today? Did you guys get food when we were out? Okay.
There's.
Is there any beans and rice in the fridge?
I have 2 tacos left, and I keep them in the fridge.
In the fridge?
I caught some